Hello, Igniters. Today, we embark on a journey that's both thrilling and challenging. It's a voyage we all must take, but one that has no final destination. Today, we're diving deep into the odyssey of personal growth. Imagine standing on the edge of a precipice, gazing out over a landscape stretching as far as the eye can see. That vast expanse, my friends, symbolizes your untapped potential, your future, your journey of personal growth. Now, take a step back and realize that you're not on the edge of anything, but rather at the very beginning. That step forward, that leap into the unknown, is where it all begins. It's daunting, yes. It's uncertain and scary, absolutely. But it's also exhilarating, filled with possibilities, and utterly essential to becoming the best version of yourself. And that's what we're here for. The team at Action Ignition is committed to accompanying you on this personal growth journey, providing you with the tools, tips, and inspiration you need. We're here to illuminate your path, to help turn your I can't into I can, and your dreams into reality. If you're ready to take that first step, if you're ready to plunge into the realm of personal growth, I invite you to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll not only be supporting our mission to ignite action, but you'll also ensure that you never miss a step on this incredible journey. Together, we can ignite the world. Are you ready? Let's start this journey now. Let's delve into this journey of personal growth together, step by step. Remember, personal growth isn't a destination, it's an ongoing journey that's as unique as you are. Step 1. Self-awareness. Start by taking a good, hard look in the mirror. Emotionally speaking, this is about recognizing who you truly are beneath the surface. It's about acknowledging your strengths and weaknesses, your passions and fears, your desires and dreams. It's about peeling back the layers of self-perception to reveal the raw, unfiltered you. Step 2. Visualization. Now close your eyes and imagine the person you want to be. Don't hold back. Be audacious, be ambitious, be unapologetically you. This isn't about attaining perfection, it's about striving for progress, for becoming a better version of yourself. Imagine that version, and hold that image close to your heart. Step 3. Goal setting. Open your eyes, grab a pen, and let's make those dreams tangible. Break down that vision of your future self into actionable goals. Remember to be smart about it, which means specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. These goals aren't just checkpoints on your journey, they're the roadmap to your personal growth. Step 4. Action. This is where the rubber meets the road. It's where you take those first steps towards your goals, no matter how shaky or uncertain. It's where you start putting in the work, day by day, bit by bit. Every step you take, no matter how small, is a victory. Celebrate them. Step 5. Resilience. There will be obstacles. There will be setbacks. There will be times when everything seems impossible, when the journey seems too hard, and you want to give up. Don't. Resilience is your shield in these battles. It's your ability to bounce back, to rise every time you fall, to keep going even when the odds are against you. Step 6. Reflection. Throughout this journey, it's crucial to take time to reflect. Reflect on your successes and failures, on the hurdles you've overcome, and the challenges that lie ahead. Reflection isn't about wallowing in the past, but learning from it, and using those lessons to fuel your journey forward. Igniters, personal growth is a journey of 1,000 steps, some easy, some hard. It's a journey of bravery, of determination, of resilience. It's a journey filled with moments of self-doubt and self-discovery, of trials and triumphs, of setbacks and steps forward. As you embark on your personal growth journey, remember, you're not alone. We're here with you, every step of the way. Action Ignition is more than just a YouTube channel, it's a community. It's a group of like-minded individuals all committed to lighting the spark of personal growth within themselves and others. Now it's your turn. Take that first step. Start your journey. And let us know how you're doing. Share your stories. your trials, your triumphs? We're here to cheer you on, to pick you up when you stumble, to celebrate with you when you succeed. If you found this guide helpful and want more content like this, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Each like, each subscription, each share helps us reach more people, ignite more action, and inspire more personal growth. We're on this journey together, igniters, and together we can ignite the world. Remember, the journey of personal growth starts with a single step. So take that step. Start your journey today.